In this video, you'll learn how to calculate a percentage increase in Excel. A percentage increase shows how much something has grown compared to its original value. For example, if something goes from 100 to 150, the increase is 50. When you divide that increase by the original value, which is 100, you get 0.5. That means the value grew by 50%. Let's go over how to do this in Excel. Click the cell where you want the result to appear. Type this formula: SUN new value minus old value, divided by old value in Excel terms. If your new value is in cell C2 and your old value is in cell B2, the formula will be equal sign C2 B2 divided by B2. Press enter. You'll see a decimal like 0.25. To turn it into a percentage, go to the Home tab and click the % style button in the number section. You can now copy the formula down the column to apply it to more rows. Excel will show the percentage increase for each row. If the number goes down instead of up, Excel will show a negative percentage. That's it. You now know how to calculate a percentage increase in Excel. Thanks for watching.